My name is Chef Ho, and today we'll be preparing a very traditional Chinese dish, rice.
My life, my dream, and nothing's gonna stop me now.
What did he expect me to do? He was Arabic.
Drew, you're so funny.
Hey, Dad, how's it going, man?
Pretty good, Drew.
Hey, Dan, can you pass me the pizza?
Alright boys, let's settle in for the night.
How long are we going to be out here? We've checked this clearing 3 times. I think we're safe.
The Kongs are everywhere, Kaylin. There's no telling when they'll show up.
Shut up and settle in. We gotta stay here for the night.
I'm Chase Deal, and you're watching How to Survive. Now you gotta look out for these little fellas. Although they may look tasty and delicious, if they aren't harvested correctly, they can kill you. It's a cool place out here. The last thing you want to do is get stuck out here alone, especially without water. You want to grab it carefully right here. Then,
we've got a hostage situation. I need clearance to search the building. The situation is time sensitive.
This is the last time I'm going to ask you. Where are your father's documents? I have been very patient with you. Unfortunately for you, my patience only extends so far.
Clearance granted. Be careful out there.
What are you doing out in this cold weather?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
Where are your parents? No boy should have to spend Christmas alone.
They were eaten by a pack of hungry rats.
rope! It's back and better than ever. Who doesn't love rope? There's so many uses, I can barely count them all. You can grab items that are far away. You can move furniture. And if you want to, you can even eat the stuff.
Coke. It's cool, crisp, and perfect for every occasion.
What do we have here?
Male, late 20s, a cute kitty for you.
Scalpel. American people, following my summit with Korean President Soo-Young Park, I believe the prospect of a nuclear-free world is within reach. Although tensions in the summit were heightened, most likely a result of my racist behavior, I believe we have come to the conclusion that
Now, if you're paying close attention here, you'll notice that I'm not just making rice. In fact, it's much more complicated.
it's not about us at all.
Do you ever feel like we've been here forever? What do you mean? I don't know. Kind of like we're stuck here. Like Dan feels right now.
We can't leave.
It's too damn hard to sleep out here at night. I said shut up, get some rest, right out at daybreak.
Sometimes I feel like they're watching us. Like right now.
Now that was a close one. If you aren't careful out here, just about anything can kill you. In fact, Black Kawhi is starting to get to me out here.
Speak to him, please. He needs to hear me.
This is your last chance. Tell me where your father's documents are.
Hey, everything's gonna be okay, alright? Just listen to my instructions.
Please don't leave me out here. If you don't help me, I'm gonna die.
Tough luck, kid. There's no escaping this hell.
Stay with me one more second. There's something big you're missing here.
Sad. It's not really about the coke, is it? It's a cry for help. I need you to help me.
Running out of time, we need to do something fast.
Sir, I think we're losing him. What are we gonna do?
There's still time, he needs to know. This is all a fraud. I'm not your president. This is not the White House. I don't think it ever was. Now these men are gonna try to take me away here. Just stay with me.
That's right. You're keeping me here. They want me to cook. I have to cook.
Where are all these people coming from?
We gotta get out of here, man.
No,
What do you mean?
there is no escape.
I'm running out of time. I don't know how much longer I can live like this.
Look behind the TV. There's a bunch of wires. You need to take them out as fast as you can.
I'm afraid you're too late, James Parker. And now, your son is going to die.
lost him, but you still got me, at least for a little bit. Now there's something left for you to do.
Not working. We need something hard, a blunt object.
It'll never work.
We have to try.
Now finish the job and break it.
Break it.
Break it! Break it!
Welcome back. Today we have a very special guest with us, all the way from New York. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Stop. No, this